Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and give you reasons as to why Matic can see a break above the $0.784 mark in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Matic is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. And earlier today we had seen a break above resistance at around the $0.784 mark. And as we try to have a successful retest, you can see the retest was not a success and we have lost that key area of support, and it's now acting as a resistance. And we have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4, in a move that has now fully maximized its minimum target areas, highlighted here on the charts using this retarget area. And today we saw a bit of a reaction to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5, which is what we expect after seeing the formation of that wave 4. And there are chances that since we are back into this retarget area, soon we are going to see a reaction of the target area, start gearing up impulsively once more, see a break above resistance, get a successful retest, then continue gearing up and fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 5. And all this is playing out after we saw our lows on the 10th of June, when we had this massive crash giving us a low at around the $0.52 mark. And afterwards we started a very nice recovery, where we first picked in this 1-2 setup, having the wave 2 fully maximizing its minimum retracement areas here on the charts. Then afterwards we started our Elliot structure, where we have now picked in the formation of this wave 1, seen a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, then saw this massive pump in the formation of the wave 3, having the wave 3 fully maximizing its minimum target areas that I gave you using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.8584 mark. Then afterwards we started our breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. And since there are chances that soon we are going to see a reaction of that target area and start gearing up in the formation of this wave 5, I want to now give you my target areas for the wave 5 by dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.9862 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Matic to do in the formation of that wave 5. So soon I'm expecting that Matic is going to give us another reaction of this target area, start gearing up once more, see a break above resistance at around the $0.784 mark, get a successful retest, continue gearing up, see a break above the high for the wave 3 at around the $0.89 mark. And the moment we manage to break above the wave 3 high, then that is enough confirmation that we are now getting impulsive in the formation of that wave 5, and maybe Matic can soon see a break above the $1 mark. And that is what I'm expecting on the short term. And for those that want my long-term analysis here on the Matic chart, if I zoom out on the charts, I can still give you my analysis basing it on the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing our June lows last year, we saw a 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $1.3 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2 into the minimum retracement areas, highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, giving us a low at around the $0.52 mark. And soon I'm expecting Matic is going to continue seeing a reaction of this target area, start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, where I'm expecting the third wave to give us a break above the $2 mark. And before all that plays out, we first need to see Matic give us a complete 5-wave structure on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure on the charts. And the moment we see such a movement, then that is enough confirmation that we have a low in place for the second wave, and we are now getting impulsive in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 45 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.